Title: The Best Pool Vacuum for Vinyl Liner Poolmaster Air Relief Valve Weighted Vacuum. Product Critique.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we've got something exciting to talk about. The Poolmaster Air Relief Valve Weighted Vinyl Liner Swimming Pool Vacuum. If you're a pool owner looking for the best pool vacuum for vinyl liner pools, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features, benefits, and why this vacuum might just be the perfect addition to your pool maintenance arsenal. Let's start with an overview of this fantastic pool vacuum. The Poolmaster Air Relief Valve Weighted Vinyl Liner Swimming Pool Vacuum is designed to make pool cleaning a breeze. It's compatible with both above-ground and in-ground pools with vinyl liners, and it's here to ensure your pool remains crystal clear and inviting all year round. Now, let's take a closer look at the key features that make this pool vacuum stand out from the rest. Suction power. With a powerful suction system, it ensures effective and efficient cleaning. Self-adjusting air valves. These innovative valves help maintain the perfect amount of suction, preventing damage to your vinyl liner. Perimeter vacuum brushes. These brushes help loosen dirt and debris from your pool floor, making it easier to clean. Swivel pool hose adapter. The included adapter ensures kink-free movement while cleaning. Weighted design. The vacuum is weighted to keep it submerged at the bottom of the pool for a thorough cleaning without harming your vinyl liner. Compatibility. It fits 1-1/4 to 1-1/2 inch pool vacuum hoses and standard pool poles. Now, let's discuss the benefits you can expect from using this pool vacuum. Efficient cleaning. Thanks to its suction power and perimeter brushes, it efficiently removes leaves, dirt, and debris. Vinyl liner protection. The self-adjusting air valves ensure that your vinyl liner stays safe during the cleaning process. Kink-free cleaning. The swivel pool hose adapter allows for easy maneuvering without hose tangles. Easy to use. It's user-friendly and suitable for both above-ground and in-ground vinyl liner pools. To help you make an informed decision, let's compare this Poolmaster vacuum with some other options on the market. Price. At just $19.23, it's an affordable option compared to some pricier alternatives. Suction power. Users have praised its powerful suction, making it comparable to more expensive models. Durability. Its durable construction ensures it can handle tough pool cleaning tasks. Before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at what actual users have to say about the Poolmaster Air Relief Valve Weighted Vinyl Liner Swimming Pool Vacuum. In conclusion, if you're in the market for the best pool vacuum for vinyl liner pools, the Poolmaster Air Relief Valve Weighted Vacuum is an excellent choice. Its powerful suction, vinyl liner protection, and affordability make it a standout option. So, say goodbye to leaves and debris in your pool and hello to a sparkling clean swimming experience. That's it for today's product critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with this pool vacuum, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.